Hello everybody, welcome to another video. This one is a making of video of a wooden sign that I made about 2 weeks ago for another YouTuber. His name is Viva Frei. He does daily vlogs. He lives up in Canada. Daily vlogging for about 2 years. His content is really great. I enjoy watching him. Reached out to him about 2-3 weeks ago, and his anniversary is coming up, so I offered him to make him a sign, and this video is about the making of the sign. Before we get started here, check him out on YouTube, Viva Frei. Make sure and like and subscribe and share. Also, if you like this content, give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel. I post as often as I can, usually about once a week, twice a week. Family stuff, woodworking stuff. So if you like this kind of content, I would really like you to hit that thumbs up button. It really helps the channel grow. And yeah, this is the making of, so here we go. By the way, this is the hook.